All right, 3.6 Pentastar. That's an SRT. What we've got here is a misfire. We've got worn cam lobes, which is pretty normal. Pretty hard to see here on the phone filming, but a couple of our inlet lobes are worn out. But the main issue here, this is a rocker out of this car. This is a good one. This is how it should work. I'm spinning that and you probably can't quite tell. Focus on that. Yeah, nicely spinning. Look at that. Look, working lovely. And then we've got our failed one here, which is actually collapsed. And that's me spinning it, and it won't go past that point. And then that has forced the rocker to, where's my cam? Here it is. Cut into the camshaft. You can see there where it's started chewing away. If you have a look here, you can see the witness marks. Started chewing into the cam. So this is getting cams, lifters and rockers, and our misfire will go away. And our noisy tickety tick tick tick